Here's Locksmith widget. So let's just go through it. Yeah, how it looks like. So this is the app which you install on your lock screen. So you need to have iOS 16 on your iPhone. And then, yeah, you just tap and hold your lock screen, tap customize and add the widget there. So yeah, and then basically the idea is that it's a messaging app, and then you can message your friends or partners just via this lock screen widget, and this message will just appear on their lock screen. So you just go create an account. You need to add your partner. You can invite by text. You can just sync your contacts, or then you can just tap here, and then this is how invitation look like. Yeah, sorry, I was just checking out. And then yeah, then you have your settings here. You can easily change your name. You can see here there are more options. If you need help, you can reach out here. So there you have it, something like that. And then you can just matchmaker, which is like an interesting feature. It's more just like a dating ship to people who would be a cute locksmith couple. And then you can just add someone who you see from your contacts would be a nice couple to text each other on lock screen. So yeah, tap to choose. That's basically it. So very minimalistic app where you just send in each other messages on lock screen. Some people might think it's a bit weird because you lock your phone, someone else can see your messages. But on the other hand, it's very quick, as you don't need to unlock your phone, log into Messenger app, go to specific chat. So it's like kind of instant chat, and it saves a lot of time for just a quick, like, three word message or like something like that. Yeah, hope that's helpful.